Who is Chiang Kai-shek? A selfish, ruthless, unfit military leader, whose goal to restore China was never achieved. Chiang believed that no matter what he did, the end always justifies the means. Would you want a military leader who believed in that? Obviously there are many protests against him, but it didn't stop him. Not only did he force himself as the leader, he disrespected the previous leader's decisions by ending the alliance with the communists. Would you want a leader who ended peace in your country? Because that's what Chiang did. He restarted the Chinese Civil War, causing millions of deaths, and continued a list of terrible and unnecessary actions. To prevent future uprisings against him, a good leader would have thought of a way to solve the problem with as little fighting as possible. Not Chiang. He killed thousands of communists to ensure that it would never happen. Do you agree with this choice? Neither did the people that denounced him. Not only did he ruthlessly kill his enemies, he even killed his own. When he was under attack by the Japanese, he created a man-made flood which killed hundreds of thousands of his own people in much of their land. Obviously Chiang was fine with collateral damage. He even said, "I would rather mistakenly kill 1,000 innocent people than allow one communist to escape." And I don't doubt that he meant it. Chiang would never be able to run a country as massive as China. He was not even able to maintain a leadership on Taiwan. Forcing a 3-decade-long martial law, accusing people of being spies, executing and imprisoning thousands, and unsuccessfully attempting to take back the mainland, Chiang lived the rest of his life on Taiwan both hated and feared. Should he be the true leader of China? Shek no.